National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for urban areas and small streams in southwestern Morris County in northern New Jersey, Hunterdon County in northwest New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northwestern Mercer County in central New Jersey, Bucks County in southeast Pennsylvania until 12:45 a.m. At 6:47 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated an area of heavy rain moving through north-central New Jersey. Some small rivers, creeks, and streams are expected to go over their banks this evening. Also expect street flooding and flooding in areas of poor drainage. Rivers, creeks, and streams of flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. Stream rises will be slow, and flash flooding is not expected. However, all interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause elevated levels on small creeks and streams, and ponding of water in urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage areas and low-lying spots. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground